Toverland! Ah, my little loves, I'm so excited. So the plan is we are literally just going to mooch, see what's happening. I'm so excited to be here. I'm buzzing. Sean's wanted to bring me here for so long. So I'm gonna have a little mooch, have a little gander, see what's happening, get on some rides. Let's go. Okay, first ride of the day, Merlin's Quest, which is a little boat ride. I'm so excited. Everything's on a 5-minute wait today, which is great. So, yeah, I'm hoping we're going to get a lot of re-rides today. That was so cute. I loved that. That was so cute. Okay, I think it's time for a wee. Then I'm heading on Phoenix. Whoop. Hey guys, so we've stopped, we've had a beer, and now we're getting on Phoenix. I'm so excited. Oh. What? It's a walk-on! I'm so excited. We're going on Sunday. So much fun. I enjoyed every moment of that. I'm hoping to get on the right side a little later, but now I'm going to head and explore the rest of the park. So if you want to see the full POV, it will be uploaded soon, and I'll make sure to add the link into the description. So I think the plan is now we're going to leave the land of Avalon. It's so pretty, but there is a lot more park to explore. So we are going to head and have a little snoop and see what we can find. A fun bridge. Wait a minute. Yes. Absolute children. Wow. Very pretty. Come on then guys, let's go walk under a waterfall. Oh, how pretty. So we are now heading to Troy, which is the wooden coaster here at Toverland. Sean is super excited because he loves it. So we are heading there now. Okay, so we've arrived at Troy. It's currently sitting at a 5-minute queue time, apparently. So we're going to make our way through the queue line, see what's happening. Also, I think I spotted some food snack vending machines. And if you've seen my Efteling vlog, you know I am a sucker for hot food vending machines in theme parks. So I know where my money's going today. So we've just come on the corner, it's literally a walk-on. This is our second walk-on of the day. This is so strange. It's a Saturday and it's the summer holidays. What is going on? Are we just timing this right? Who even knows? I'm so excited. Let's go. Let's get front row. I don't even know what just happened. That was insane. That was so good. I feel like my bones are still rattling from that. That was such fun. I need to sit down. I'm gonna have a beer. Oh my god, so good. Guys, before we get beer, I found a side quest. So we're gonna do that and then we're gonna get beer. Side quest! Love this. It's like I'm working for my beer. Let's go. Oh, I did not think this through. Can I film and do this? This is horrendous. I know it doesn't look like much on camera, but honestly, this is chaotic. Oh no, oh no. Right, so where do I go now then? This is just getting all a bit complicated. I feel like that bridge is cheating a little bit. I don't know though. Oh, stepping stones. Let's go there. Do you think they do anything? Because no one's with me at the moment. I don't want to like get on one and they sink or something. Okay. The trick here is not to look at my camera and just focus on what I'm doing. I feel like I don't want to step on that one. All right. Watch. Oh my god, they do sink. Ah. Oh my goodness. I think there's like a next bit of the side quest is round here. Oh yeah. Oh fun. It's so hot as well, guys. It's 29 degrees. So this is very welcomed here at Toverland. Oh, fun. Whee. Yeah. Oh, great time. Yay. Oh dear. I'm such a little weirdo. Right, I'm gonna go get a beer. Look who wants to play now. Okay guys,
I can't guarantee you anything.
got my beer, Pilsner. How much was this?
$11.70 for free. $3.90.
Yeah, €3.90.
€3.90, so I don't know what that would be in pounds.
$3.50.
Good. It's a hot one, but...
Hello fans.
Hello fans.
We're going through this tunnel.
We're going for a tunnel. So we're just going to show the boys the waterfall and then we are going to head to Zog, which I'm so excited about. I'm so excited. I love a log flume.
Zog! Mein altes Deutschfinding! Guck mal, Feder! André! Guck mal, hoch!
Okay, it is hot. It is hot in here. Like, hot. And the water ride has just gone down. It's okay. We persevere. Boats are going round. I've had to tie my hair up because it is just so toasty. The boats are going round. So hopefully we're going to see some movement. Luckily, a lot of people left the queue when this happened. And we only waited like 5 minutes after they announced it. So we've actually got a lot further ahead of the queue. Just purely from that. So hopefully we can remember to it longer. Stop!
Hallo, Expeditionleden! Jullie geloven toch ook niet in zauberen en in magie? En nog helemaal niet in die spookverhalen over die zogenaamde zorg. Klinkklare onzin! En ik zal het dan ook voor eens en eeuwig antwoorden. Oh, daar zijn jullie! Heel goed, kom maar naar voren. Ja, en nu is het belangrijk dat we met z'n allen naar links gaan. Ja, naar links. Nee, hallo, ik zeg naar links gaan. We moeten naar links. Stoppen! Terug. Nee, oh, wacht even. Nee, ga voor.
Dat ging niet helemaal goed, ja. Ik zag dat jullie naar links moesten. Oh ja, dan moet je echt beter luisteren, hoor. Ja, zo ga je naar de goede kant op. Ja, heel goed. Nou, dan kun je alles weer goed zien. Ik zou zeggen, we houden het hard.
Ja, zie je wel, geen zorg te zien. Het wordt niks. Nu is het tijd om terug te keren. Goed
I am so. Oh no! Sullivan's gone down. This is a saga. It's so hot as well. I can't even imagine sitting up there in this heat. Bless them. Okay guys, I have convinced everyone to get in the fun house with me because we're hot and overtired, so this could possibly end in disaster. But we shall see. I'm excited. Guys, it's time for the rapids. I like this key line. It's UV. So that's us done with the rapids. Actually quite a soaker. We're now heading to TOVERLAND, which is basically a storm chaser at Polton's. So we're going to head there and see what's happening. Okay, we're heading on TOVERLAND. I'm actually really excited to go on this. How cute is this layout? I love all the foliage in this park. It brings me such joy. Okay, we're heading on Merlin's Quest because these guys this morning went and did their coast creds, so they got them all under their belt and they haven't been on it. So we're going on Merlin's Quest, which is the boat ride you saw earlier in the vlog. There's been a thunderstorm warning, so all the outside rides have completely gone down. Luckily there is still one more coaster I need to do that's indoors, but it's like a little runaway train thing that goes to all three, like the kids section here at TOVERLAND. So we're gonna head there. If the wind dies down, great, I'll try and get on booster bikes. If not, it's just an excuse to come back. Hello.
Since 2004. 20 years. Apparently they
Wow, fans. Here it comes again.
Oh,
Jesus!
anytime! That was well back,
That was very dramatic. I was like, let's go, let's get on a nice little choo-choo train before one last night ride on Troy. Dusk ride on Troy. Dusk? That hurt. I like fully bashed my elbow. That really hurts. What is that? Absolutely never again. That was intense. Anyway, Troy we go. Oh, they're lighting all the festoons. Yay!
How to cross a piece of dirty water. We're on some of these now because I've already started, which is a bit naughty.
taking it nice and steady. There we go. How's your Achilles, sir?
I've actually intentionally left the POV for you guys to see like snippets because that was crazy. I'm just gonna quickly run, do the booster bikes. We decided to do it because it's opened again. So we're gonna do the booster bikes and then we're gonna go to our Airbnb. We're gonna make nice cups of tea and we're gonna snuggle up in our pajamas.
Oh, hi guys, I'm here today as well, by the way.
Short it, by the way. Yeah, I haven't seen this guy all day. To be fair, what a trooper, he has driven here today. It's been a very early start for us. We got up at 2 o'clock this morning after going to bed at 11. So, absolute trooper, he's managed it all day. And I've walked us down a dead end, so I'm gonna go because I'm not concentrating. See you in a minute. All right guys, the rain is really settling in. We're gonna do the booster bikes. So for those who don't know, these booster bikes were the first ever of their kind. So, and I've never done them before. So my first booster bike will be also the first booster bike. So let's head on. This is gonna be wet. I can't open my eyes! I imagine this is great! I can't open my eyes! My eyes! Oh, this was a terrible time! That was an experience. That was an intense experience. And then it stopped raining. But I really hope you enjoyed the POV. I hope you enjoyed Tom's commentation through the POV.
It's so good, right, fans?
It's the best, fans.
Best water
But we are going to head now because there are actually quite big storms heading into the Netherlands tonight. So we're going to head to our Airbnb. We're going to get snuggy. We're going to have tea. And we're going to chat about our day.
And tomorrow you'll see us in Belgium. Goodbye.
We're going to do Too Good, Too Bad.
Will you see me in Belgium? We shall see.